Want to edit professional YouTube videos, TikTok Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook videos for free? In this video, I'll show you the complete CapCut tutorial for beginners, from installing the app to exporting your final video in HD. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to create amazing videos using CapCut. Let's get started. CapCut is one of the world's most popular free video editing apps. It works on Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac. With CapCut, you can edit YouTube videos, Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Facebook videos, and much more. The best part? Most of its essential editing tools are completely free. Open CapCut and tap New Project. Choose the videos or photos you want to edit. Tap Add. Now your clips appear on the editing timeline, where you can start editing. Tap on a clip, drag either edge to trim unwanted parts. Move the playhead to the point where you want to cut. Tap Split. Delete unnecessary sections to make your video shorter and more engaging. This is the most important editing skill. Tap Text. Select Add Text. Write your title or subtitles. Customize the font, color, animation, shadow, and size. Animated text makes your videos look much more professional. Tap Audio. Choose music from CapCut's library or import your own. Lower the background music volume to around 10 to 20% while speaking. You can also add sound effects to make your videos more engaging. Open Effects. Choose Cinematic, Glow, Blur, or Motion Effects. You can also apply filters to improve colors. Use effects in moderation to keep your videos clean and professional. When you're finished editing, tap Export. Choose Resolution 1080p, Frame Rate 60 FPS, High Quality. Then save your video. This tutorial helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below what CapCut tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.